Forgot to mention another thing here. There's another knob here. If you move this knob anti-clockwise like this, it will move your slide from down to up. Okay, from down to up. And if you move it according to clockwise, it will move from up to down, up to down. Okay, we have marked a box on the cover slip to observe a particular area of the on the slide, and as you can see, we are now at the vertex. We are now at the like lower vertex of the box. So here we see this scale should be like in a position between like 20, this 20 and 0 will be making a straight line, but here we can see according to our a slide box, marked box, it's just like deviated. Like how much is deviated? Like 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, we are 3 units deviated from the original position where the 20 and 0 would be. So we have to add up this 20 when we are watching it from down vertex to up vertex. Let me show you. We are now in currently the slide is in the down vertex, so we want to move up. So we are going up. Sorry, we are going up. So when we reach at the edge of the upper vertex, we can like see we are just around like, yeah, we have added more like units, more same units to complete. So the thing is that the less units you will be taking initially from the standard position, the more you have, the same amount you have to add later to complete the observation from one point of the slide to the another point of the slide. That's it. So this may help you to enhance your photography skills in microscopy. Thank you.